Perkenalkan, nama saya Manuel Janto, saya dari kelas Sistem Informasi Malam. Kali ini saya ingin mengerjakan tugas bahasa Inggris yang kedua, yaitu tentang question words. Sebenarnya banyak tema sih, cuma aku ngambilnya question word karena ini yang paling gampang menurut aku. Gak usah pakai lama, kita langsung cus aja ke materi. WH question. Nearly all question word in English start with the same two letters. WH, that's why question with question word are also called WH question. 1. We use the question word when we want to get specific or more information. And 2. We have the next question word. And 3. They are different than yes or no question. First, who. We use who about we want to ask about people. Who is that? My friend, him. What? We use what when we want to ask about things, animals, and action. What is your favorite sport? It is basketball. When? We use where when we want to ask about place. Where are you from? I'm from Batu Raden. When? We use when we want to ask about time or moment. When do you relax? Maybe at the weekend. What time? Use what time when we want to ask about time. What time do you finish work? Yeah, what time? Ask about time. Which? We use which when we want to ask about choice or preference. Which is your apple? Which is your apple? The red one. Why? We use why when we want to ask about reason. Why are you late? Because I missed the bus. I missed the bus. Was. We use was when we want to ask about ownership or possession. Was are they case? They're mine. How. We use how when we want to ask about way in which something happens. How are things at work? Boring, as usual. How. We use how. There are the number of other expressions that are used in question. How old, how far, how long, and others. First, how old. We use how old when we ask about age. How old they are? Are they 24? How far? We use how far when we want to ask about distance. How far is it to Batu Raden? It's 10 kilometers to Batu Raden. How long? We use how long when we want to ask about duration or length. How long is the movie? The movie is 18 minutes long. Yeah. Thank you. We so happy about this. Ya intinya kalau penutupan mohon maaf aku pakai bahasa Inggris Miss, karena bahasa Inggris aku kurang lancar, jadi aku penutupan pakai bahasa Indonesia. Oke, terima kasih Miss sudah menonton dari awal hingga akhir. Sekian, terima kasih.